al-Bukhari 3221, narrated Ibn Shihab radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Once Umar bin Abdul Aziz radiyallahu ta'ala anha delayed the Asr prayer a little. Urwa radiyallahu ta'ala anha said to him, Jibreel alayhi salam descended and led the prayer in front of the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. On that, Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, O Urwa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, be sure of what you say. Urwa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, I heard Bashir bin Abi Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrating from Ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anha, who heard Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam saying, Jibreel alayhi salam descended and led me in prayer, and then prayed with him again, 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 counting with his finger 5 prayers. Sahih al-Bukhari 3222, narrated Abu Zar radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Jabriel alayhi salam said to me, whoever amongst your followers die without having worshipped others beside Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will enter paradise or will not enter the hellfire. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked, even if he has committed illegal sexual intercourse or theft, he replied, even then. Sahih al-Bukhari 3223, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, angels keep on descending from the ascending to the heaven in turn, some at night and some by daytime, and all of them assemble together at the time of the Fajr and Asr prayers. Then those who have stayed with you overnight ascend unto Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who asks them, and he knows the answer better than they, how have you left my slaves? They reply, we have left them praying as we found them praying. If anyone of you say Ameen during the prayer at the end of the recitation of Surah Al-Fatiha, and the angels in heaven say the same, and the two sayings coincide, all his past sins will be forgiven. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.